back to another studio vlog. So I've had a little time off because I have been working on my degree work, and I'm happy to say that that's all in now, and I've got my feedback and it was quite good, so I'm really pleased with that. And yeah, now I'm free to work on my business side of things. So if you don't know and you're new here, I am a full-time artist and illustrator, but I'm also doing a distance learning degree in illustration. So my time is split between doing the illustration degree work, which is quite a lot, and also running my small business. So I tend to sort of work in blocks of time where I'll work on one or the other. So over the summer I took a step back from a few things, and yeah, basically focused on getting that done and getting it in. I am currently on level 2 out of 3, so working through that first unit of the second level. So yeah, there's plenty of work to be done, but got the first part in, so I'm really pleased. And yeah, I've got a little time now to work on my art business. And so yeah, it's very exciting because I'm preparing to relaunch my Patreon. I've had it on pause for the summer just while I got that degree work in, and my patrons have been wonderful and allowed me to take a step back for a couple of months just to ease my workload, because it was getting a bit crazy with the new puppy as well. And yes, I'm preparing to get back into Patreon, and I will be reopening on the 1st of September. So if you're interested in podcasts, videos, tutorials, free wallpapers, blog posts, behind the scenes kind of things, and also happy mail, then come check out my page, Nikki Jackson Art. It's live at the moment. If you choose to pledge now, you'll get access to all the content that's on there. We've got about 2 years worth of content, so there's lots of good stuff there. But from September I'll be creating new work, so you'll be able to be part of that if you'd like to. So yeah, so I'm working on the calendar and other bits and bobs for that, and yeah, just getting back into things really. I've got a couple of new illustrations to share with you in this vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'll catch you again at the end. Hello guys, it is Tuesday. I have popped out for a little bit. I'm back in the studio and I'm kind of having a little bit of a break from the degree work. So I thought it would be fun to take part in April's 3K Draw This In Your Style challenge. She is from Monkey Mintaka, and she's done a really cute landscape with one of her characters in. So I thought it'd be fun to have a go at drawing this. Please excuse Elsa whining in the background. She's waiting for her lunch and she's always early, so I've literally just been down there with them, so she's a bit of a monkey sometimes. But I'm going to try and work on this and see how it comes out, so come and join me.
Those illustrations turned out. It was really nice to work on an illustration just for fun, doing April's Draw This In Your Style challenge, and I think I'm going to do a few more of those kind of videos, not videos, illustrations. It's just nice to sort of not have to think about what you're doing too much and just have fun. So yeah, so that was that one, and then I finished the pink sunflower, and yeah, it's another one to add to my sunflower collection, and yeah, we'll see what I can make with those. But I hope you've enjoyed watching the process, and I will be back again very soon with another studio vlog. Have a good week, guys. Bye.